Oh. Good enough. Hi YouTube. Last video I made a really strong Nerf gun that by using a PVC pipe and a bottle. Just like this. This PVC pipe fits a Nerf dart. The saran wrap that wraps around here, I pressurized the bottle, and then when it's pressured enough, it'll rip through the saran wrap, and all the air goes through the tube, taking the Nerf dart, making it really powerful. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do it in the confetti cannon. That's why I got this. Of course, it could fit confetti, but I can't really find a bottle or something like that, so I got the next best thing. Laundry detergent. Of course, it could fit over here. It's airtight. And then we should just fill this up, the saran wrap. Somehow fill this up with air, and then just shoot. Before I use this bottle, I gotta kind of clean it, you know, because there's still a little laundry detergent inside it. So be right back. Okay, I'm done washing it. Now it's pretty much, I gotta drill a hole in the oh, frick. Where's the pin? Nope. Soap in my mouth. Looks pretty strong. Good enough. And then this should fit in over here. Perfect. And then just secure it with super glue. That's pretty much what I did last video. Be fine. Just gonna let the super glue dry. Probably gonna put another layer of super glue, and then we should be golden right now. The worst thing with super glue is getting it on your fingers.
2 seconds later.
I actually got super glue on my fingers. Oh my god. That's great. I got saran wrap. Just gonna test out if I can actually do it. Oh, I think that's gonna work. Yeah, that's 100% gonna work. If this doesn't work, I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. First, I'm gonna test this out in the living room. Yeah. Each. Wow. Well, let's just ignore the mess, you know. The video's gonna be starting. Oh! 됐다! 맞지, 됐다! It worked! I put confetti inside the leaf blower. Thank you guys for watching. Today's video is sponsored by absolutely no one, but you could help me out by subscribing, liking the video, and clicking the bell icon and watch this video 5 more times. Thank you.